Wow. Anyway, we are going to play Guess the Song now, and we just want to see if Unana knows her music. And I have one song that's a throwback, so we want to see how old you are.
Oh my god.
Busy age.
Busy age. Okay, so this song goes. Oh, I'm just gonna explain to you how the game works. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read lyrics to you of the song. I'm gonna read them, not sing them, and then you have to guess which song it is and the artist.
Okay.
If you can sing
Let's
it, go
do
ahead,
this.
Gail. Okay. Yadlula iminyaka ngingakuboni soka
Oh
lami.
no, I know that song.
Yadlula iminyaka
Konje, what's-
ngingakuboni soka lami. Yeah, no. It says a lot of the same thing. Kuphi,
Yeah, she's
you
almost
will
got
meet
it.
me at the river. You will meet me at the river.
I know that song,
Okay,
but I
what's the
just
song?
don't know the artist.
Sing it.
You don't know the artist? That is disgusting.
What?
No, I do know the artist. I just forgot.
Come on, sing it. You almost got it.
Meet me at the river.
Hey.
That's our song. I'll just shut the ngoma.
Right, right.
I forgot the artist. Come on, Minnie, you better tell me.
It's Umafika Izolo with
Oh.
Mlanjeni.
Oh, okay. That's because my feet
Almost.
are low.
That's a 0.
She knew the song though. I think let's give it to
My
her.
feet is all, guys. Come on.
Half mark.
Hey, Umafika Izolo sehlalile in the industry. Hey,
Yeah,
they have been. Okay, we're heading over to the second song. So it goes. If you can't get this one, I will be so disappointed. Can't die young, but I live fast. Stay an outcast, nigga. Whoa. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Bottles heavy? Yeah. Whoa.
Minnie, you better sing that song. Wait, hold on.
Ay, bono, nana.
That's not how the game works.
Ay, uyalazi, unana
Whoa.
leliculo. Whoa. And then it goes, all my niggas are the patrol. You know the motto. You can never trust a hoe. They ain't never talk. They ain't never take it slow. They go from fresh meats to someone else's
No,
sleepy
Minnie's reading
Joe.
this wrong.
Ay, bo.
You're reading it wrong.
They all say this,
They
you know.
always say
They
that.
always
Yeah,
say
she's
Do
reading
you
it
want
wrong.
it to sing the song?
Guys,
serious face.
Minnie is reading it wrong. Whoever you are as an artist, please listen to what Minnie is saying
You
right
need to
now.
listen to the words, take them in.
And do you want me to start again?
Please.
Okay, it goes. Can't die young, but I live fast. Stay an outcast, nigga. Whoa. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Bottles heavy. Yeah. Whoa. And I'm gonna go to verse 1. All my niggas on patrol. You know the motto. You can never trust a hoe. They ain't never take it slow. They go from fresh meat to someone else's sloppy Joe. Please don't ever call me bro. Put some respect on my mama's womb. Nigga, no. Don't you know? I look at hoe.
Is that nasty?
Eh?
Who is it? Can't die young, but I live fast, nigga. Whoa.
You know this person.
Who is it? Is it what? Go Link? Who is it?
Oh my gosh.
Wow, Nana.
Is it South African?
Yes.
That's why I don't know it.
Shame on you.
Nana doesn't listen to
Shame
South African
on
music.
you.
That's why. No, I
At least
I
you know the
tried.
song. You know the song. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna give it to you this time around though, because
Yeah.
so Katalo win. It's the big hash outcast. Can't die young, but live.
Ingane.
Ingane ncane,
Guys,
ingane
How
encane.
old is Big Hash?
He's 19. Am I right? Yeah, he's 19 if I'm not mistaken.
Damn.
He's really young. He dropped out of school.
But he's very good, hey? He's amazing.
He
isn't yeah,
is. He is. And he's actually got a thing now, a deal with Adidas. I recently saw that on
And
Twitter.
Remy Martin. Or is it
No,
Ricky?
that's Ricky Rick.
Okay.
That's Ricky Rick. So we're going on to our third song. Nana, you better get this right.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm not going to read the
South African
repeated.
again?
It's always South African, girl. We keep it South African. We keep it local out here.
100%.
100. Ngeke basimele ma.
Shout out-
We
shout out
wami,
Saudi.
awena, owena, owena, owami. You and I till the day we die, baby. Times 4. Sithandwa sami uhlezi ulala ulila. Oh ngenxa yami. You and I till the day we die, baby. Wesithandwa sami uhleli uhluphekile ngenxa yami. Abaxabanisi ngeke basimele. Onondaba nabo ngeke basimele. Abaxabanisi ngeke basimele. Onondaba ngeke basimele. Ngizohamba straight to the verse now. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, this is dedicated to the lady of my life. I'm talking my future wife, my baby. I've been Nana. I can't.
Ah,
I'm just thinking my future wife. He just wife.
you were not till you day we back.
Who is it?
I'm so disappointed in you.
South African.
You and I till the day we die, baby. You just said his name, Ricky Rick, featuring Omlindo. You and I. Do you know the song?
Guys, no,
Oh my gosh!
I
Wow.
don't know the song.
You need to do the walk of shame. You really need to do the walk. Nana, what music do you know?
Well, I listen to
Florence and the Machine.
like a No Name, Gold Link,
South African.
South African.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you know what I love? I'm a piano.
Oh my gosh. Those do not. Oh, she's a
Go.
Shesha Geza.
That's what I know.
Quish. I'm a piano, guys.
Well, like, no, honestly, guys, I don't listen to no Ricky Rick. Well, I can hear the song, but like, I will never have their album on my phone.
Why?
Because I don't. Honestly speaking, I love their music. It's very nice, but it's just not for me. You know, like I'm always in a mood of No Name, let's go. You know,
Like subtle music.
yeah, like I'm not.
You
that
don't like
person,
the hype,
yeah,
the
nah.
jumping around and all that jazz.
Yeah, I can't.
Until it's a share shot.
Yes.
Now that.
Now, just slow go tag. I'm up here. I can't believe
That
there's
is for
actually
fun.
a music
like,
video.
When you want to have fun, you're having a good day, you can listen to that song, you know, like, come on, guys.
I can't believe people actually really genuinely like that song, but I'm not gonna judge.
People like what it was playing on radio.
Yeah, but now it's playing on TV as well. It's too much. It's too much. So anyway, we are going to play our Guess the Song songs straight after this, and straight after that, we are going to play a song by Golden Black, which is PRJKT Wolf. I don't know how they pronounce that, but yeah, we're gonna see